This article is based on the relationship program Respark the Romance by Brian Robbins. Life isn't fair in many ways, and one way is this: women know how to turn men on. They dress up and give men that look, and bam! The man wants her. It works when they walk into a room and he sees her for the first time, and it works after years together. Men, however, are left scratching their heads and wondering how to make a woman desire him more. You don't have to wonder any longer. But first, drop all your preconceived ideas about how to get a woman to desire you. What you think and what you've read online aren't the keys to attracting a woman and getting her to want you. You see, with both men and women, it's about how you make the other person feel. And women have different needs than men. They want to be desired, cherished, valued, and adored. They want to feel like you're an amazing catch, but you want only them. So, let's dig into the real ways to get her to desire you more. 1. Listen to her. Let's start with an easy step. Just listen to her. Okay, so it might not be that easy, because I mean to actually listen, understand, and let her know that you're listening and understanding her. The number one complaint you'll hear from women in a relationship is, "He never listens to me anymore." So if you want to respark her desire, or attract her for the first time, learn to listen. Watch her eyes and expression, and pay attention to how she feels and what she's thinking. Show her that she can talk to you. Be a safe space so she could open up and talk to you about anything. If you're not sure how to have a conversation like this with a woman, simply ask her questions about what she's saying. For example, she says, "My friend Marcy gets so jealous." You ask, "Have I met Marcy? Or what does she do? Or did someone tell you that?" You can also show her you're listening with statements like, "That's tough. I can see why she's jealous of you though." When you really listen to a woman, she feels valued and close to you, and that's a huge turn on. Score even more points. When she starts talking, put your phone down and turn all your attention on her. 2. Ask her what she likes. Try something new and ask her if she likes it. If you normally have a beard, shave it. Show up with your smooth face, pull her hand up to feel, and ask her how she likes it. Try a new cologne. Spray it on your wrist or neck, and get her to smell it so you can ask if she likes it. This gets her thinking about you, intrigued, and happy because you care what she thinks. This works in many other ways too. Try doing anything differently and ask her what she thinks about it. The fact that you're doing new things and trying to please her will get her to desire you more. 3. Be Mr. Hollywood. For her. You know those movie scenes where the hero struts out in his tux, flashing a brilliant ear-to-ear smile, and has his hair styled. Be that man. Show up fancied up and charm her. Be daring, dashing, and fun. Let her feel like she's with the hottest man in the room. You don't actually have to be the hottest, most fit guy around. It's all about how you treat her. Have eyes for her and her alone. Lean in and look into her eyes while she talks. Make sure to give her a dreamy look. Basically, be James Bond who is in love with her, like she's the only woman in the world. It's like crack to women, and she'll ask for the ticket early so she can get you home and into the bedroom. 4. Avoid the friend zone and relationship rut. Some men get put into the friend zone way too often and they're not sure why. And other men have a relationship, but it feels more like a friendship than anything romantic or sexy. You try to be nice, and you're not sure what you're doing wrong. Nice is not always sexy. In fact, in a relationship, a woman might come to expect you to do all of those things, and they might not turn her on or make her want you. Women need flirting and compliments. They want you to make them feel sexy. When you meet a new woman, make sure to flirt, lean close to talk, listen to her, and read her body language. Don't worry about coming off as sleazy. If you don't let her know you like her and want her, she'll put you in the friend zone and move on. Trying to be a friend first will mostly likely kill your chances of being romantic. Being a woman's confidant and partner is like being a friend, but it has chemistry, sexual tension, and teasing. Even in a relationship, women still want flirting. They still want to be chased. If you want her to desire you more, take her out and treat her like it's a first date. You'll be amazed by the results. 5. Touch, the gold currency in relationships. One easy way to get put into the friend zone is to not touch a woman. If you're in a relationship and wondering why she doesn't want you that often, it might be that you're not touching her throughout the day. Even scientific studies have proven that women benefit from a 5-minute hug from their significant other. Their happy hormones spike. Think of it as a slow warm-up. Hold her hand in the car or while walking. Lay her hand on her leg. Wrap your arm around her shoulders. Play with her hair. Most women love that unless they have their hair done to go somewhere. Caress her arm. Cuddle her. If you touch your partner throughout the day, by evening she'll be anxious for bedtime. 6. Remember the little things. Stan has been married 6 years, and it doesn't take much time around him and his wife to see she's very happy and very into him. What's his secret? When he brings her roses, he gets her favorite color. It's light purple. When he picks up groceries, he'll bring home a little treat for her, and it'll be something that she mentioned liking once. He says he just remembers her offhand comments because she'll reveal big things. Women will mention that they like something when they see it, and if you remember that, you can score big points later. Pretty easy, right? But so many men miss this. If you know she collects something, you can get her one and make her day. Now imagine if you apply this in the bedroom. You notice she likes being touched a certain way or in a certain place, and you have the key to making her want you more. If you want to get her something sexy to wear, make sure you know what colors she likes. Sometimes men have the wrong idea about what women want, and what will make a woman desire him more. Look past all the hype you read online about upping your style or playing games. Women want attention, they want you to listen, to really see them, to value their ideas, to touch them, to tell them they're beautiful, and to spend time with them. If you put in some effort, you'll be hugely rewarded with a woman who desires you more. And if you want to be rewarded with desire, intimacy, and lust on a regular basis, you may follow the link below to learn more secrets to re-spark the romance in life.